Lay the calibration paper on the machine. Click on User Parameters to view the machine format. Reduce the data 200 each to fill in the grid width and grid height, and set the grid space to 100. Click on Gen Called Data. Double-click on Layer Color to set power. Set cutting power 30. Then click on Start Machining. After cutting, separate the two axes. Click to take a photo. Click to draw the effective area. Click on Vision Data. If the grid is not clearly recognized, line width, line level, midline need to be modified. Modify and then click on Vision Data until the grid is relatively clear. Select the extra lines and click the keyboard Delete button to delete it. Lines that are not connected need to be connected. Click Edit Curve. Click the end point of the line to pull to the corresponding position. For two broken lines like this, select them and click on Combine Line. Then select them again and tap the keyboard Delete button. After checking no problems, click on Save Calibrate. Calibration success. Waiting for the software to restart. To calibrate edges to make a second calibration. Click on Gen Called Data. Click to take a photo. Click to draw the effective area. Click on Vision Data. Remove the redundant lines. After checking no problems, click on Save Calibrate. Calibration success. Waiting for the software to restart. Successful secondary calibration will display Calibrate Valid plus Adjust. After calibration, right-click under Save Calibrate and click Export Calibile. Select Desktop Rename Calibration and save it. This file will be shown on the desktop. Import calibration file. Also right-click under Save Calibrate and click Import Calibration File. Select the calibration file and open. Restart completion means that the software imported the calibration file successfully.